I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotions.
It's been a while since I did one of these snippet videos, but I wanted to hop in to the house and show you the progress that we've made recently. We've had Sparky come in and do the fittings for the lights for us, and we've had a plumber come in and do the rough in and the fittings for the plumbing work. So while that's been happening, we haven't really been able to get inside the house and do any internals, so we've been focusing on the cladding, and on the weekend our mates Luke and Danica came over and really helped us finish the cladding 100% done. So we are super excited that it's officially at lockup.
Silly my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to...
I wanted to just do a quick run around inside and show you while the boys were doing the cladding. Danica and I started the internal installation, so I'll turn the video around and show you what that looks like, because it's pretty exciting, because the next step is plastering. So let me just turn this around. But down the hallway here are all of our internal things that were delivered, but we worked over the weekend to do the insulation for the external walls. It's a bit of a nightmare of a state, but worked through and did pretty much half of the insulation there. And these were just rolled up, not individual bats, but rolled up earth wool that we measured and cut to size. In here, this is our bathroom, so there's some of our plumbing work that's been done, and you can see some of the electrical work there too. So we're pretty excited that most of the major trades are done. We're waiting for our solar guy to come in the next couple of weeks. He's pre-wiring all of the panels, and then while the solar work's done, Matt and I, hopefully with the help of some mates, we'll start doing the plastering. Oh, there it is there. Just a few plaster boards, nothing too much, and get the internals done. So it's all coming together. Officially lock up with the cladding done. We started the eaves as well yesterday, and this is just the other half of the house that needs to get insulated before we can start the rest of the plaster work. Oh, look at this organised chaos. Anyway, very exciting. Hopefully have lots of other updates coming soon as we start to see progress inside.